How to remove resume from LinkedIn mobile app. Firstly, you have to install the LinkedIn app and open it on your Android. Now we are going to remove the resume in LinkedIn mobile app. Firstly, you have to move to the job icon that is here. At the top you can see three dots. Just click on it and you can see here applications settings. Just click on the application settings. This type of screen will appear. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now we are going to remove resume. Click on the three dots and you can see here delete. Click on it. In this way your resume will be deleted from your LinkedIn app. The whole procedure is for both Android as well as for iPhone. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.